day. Nice day. Nice sunny day. Finally here. I love it. I love it. The water is blue. The sky is blue. Sand is white. The wind is slowing down. The sunny day. I don't need to work. I sleep like 10 hours a day. Yeah. Finally, after several days of being stuck inside the hotel, the wind and the rain and
for 2 days.
yeah, we got stuck inside for 2 days and we can't even go outside, and Tyler was getting sick, right Tyler? Yeah. Tyler was getting sneezing sick, and I was also sick, and also mommy was sick too. Yeah. So now the sun's coming out.
And we're not sick.
And we're all not. Yeah. Oh, we take to the beach, right? And now we're just heading right to the beach.
But there's no driver.
Soon. Tyler, the sun's out. Do you miss home?
Yeah.
Tyler, you're wearing upside down.
Tyler is the alien.
Oh, I see. And look at my hair. Can you fix it?
Okay.
Crap.
I made him more crazy.
Everybody is out to the beach and the pool.
And then we saw someone really fast.
So yeah, we're almost here at the beach. I can't wait to show you what it looks like because we never even get to be here yet.
Yeah.
Finally, we're gonna go into it right now.
First time there.
First time, yeah, because it was so windy before. The sand was getting into your eyes, right, Tyler?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where we saw the snake right here. I thought it was a stick, right? But it's actually a snake. Tyler, be careful. Okay, we're gonna walk into the sand now. Ready? Wow, so nice. It's like paradise.
Look the color of the sand. It's a red. 好吧。看姥姥动什么头，好不好？
那边好大，
对呀，
都是。
对呀。
你到那边。
怎么样？你说
？OK， 好啊，这个大海真的好啊。
漂亮，干净。
漂亮，
干净。
水挺好。
这个挺白。
挺白。
海边是什么颜色的？
海边是个天蓝色，就是天蓝的啊。
太蓝了哈。
太蓝了。
风太大了。
风大。首先来了，看乐宝呢？有人看乐宝哈。
那边是哪？
老大了那边呢，都是度假村的，一看有没？一到这正好这个弯这边，那边这个弯呢，这不到这弯就全都有石头的。
All of a sudden.
它这个弄了一个个，就挡那个海里边大浪，
对对，太
防止
大。
大浪引修不了。
嗯，
你看
对
挡浪一个一个，用水泥做的，这海水放在这洗脚最好了。对呀，对，舒服。对。
Unlimited alcohol beverage. We're having. How are you? Jack Daniel. Yes, yes, somebody's drunk, and that's me. And somebody else is starting to get drunk right here. She got sex on the beach from the bar. Tyler loved today, he said. He said today is like what he wished his dream day was. Wow! Sir, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at the wave. I'm just gonna.
Oh! Oh.
School day.
Okay. Okay, kids, stay in school, but today we're in Dominican Republic. We have a vacation time.
Yeah, we skipped school.
We
Bye
skipped
bye.
school for this. Yeah. Oh man. You know, if you stay in the water for a while, your feet at first is cold, but you get used to it. Look. Oh. No, you get used to it. You get used to it. Oh, look at my leg. Oh.
It's really warm when you.
Actually, no, you don't stay there. It's nice. Huh? Wow, Tyler, look at this.
Nice view.
Yeah, nice view.
Wow.
You guys look great up here. Look at this view. Wow. And we're not even gonna get wet. Look. Whoa. Wow, look at this. It's like shops. Yeah. It must be shops.
Here at the shop.
Oh, you can buy like the covers. Oh my god! Come on, let's go quick! Tyler's scared and he wants to go back now. Yes, yes! Oh, it's so beautiful!
Here's better, eh?
Ah, no!
Big wave, big wave, big wave. Oh, not that.
Tyler, my shorts are all wet too, look.
I don't want to lie down in there.
You do? He wants to swim because his shorts are all wet.
Holy Tyler！ 裤子都湿了，冷吧？不去换裤子吧？
他说他要游泳。
冷了，不行，等。
这玩意儿怎么了？
不去换裤子吧？走吧，太冷了。
I'm wet.
Up there, Tyler. Oh, holy. Yeah. Let's change and come back to the beach because Tyler loves it. There's the beach. And there's our hotel, right there. 太阳好了哈。
啊，关键太阳好，空气好，住的好，吃的好，关键是吃的好，
对哈。
喝的好。今天中午我要一杯啤酒
啤酒好。
啊，啤酒好。
Tomorrow we're gonna be dark.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, sure. Whoa. Very good.
This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Area.
No, I want to live here every day.
Oh, okay. Look at the camera. Tell us.
Cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like it here?
That's
Awesome.
because I came here.
Out of 5, what would you give it? Out of 5?
5.
Really? You give it 5 out of 5 stars?
Yeah. No, I actually give 100.
100? No, not ever. Emergency. As I say, the beach at the other side over there on the west side of this hotel is why? Why he touch you? Oh, well, he should. What they say to us always is hola or hola señora
什么啦啦
or hola señor.
Hey, hola.
Hola señor.
Hola, amigo.
Oh, Senor.
Yes, very good.